In this video, we're going to show that Vyoocam can be controlled over the screen or mobile device too. In this case, it is Android device, but it can be controlled over iOS device as well. Android system running on Vyoocam is acting as any other Android installed on Android smartphone. So now we are using a screen of a smartphone as a remote screen of an Android running on a Vyoocam, but beneath on a smartphone is actual Android system. Now I'm gonna unplug Vyoocam from a desktop computer so you can see it can be operated only over the screen of a mobile device. Now I'm gonna open the Zoom app on a Vyoocam and initiate a video call. I am selecting a contact, initiating a video call and waiting for the user to answer the call on the other device. In this case, on an iOS device. For this demo, we muted the audio to avoid microphonic interference because devices are near each other. The video that you're seeing on an iOS device, on an iPhone, is coming from the Zoom app installed on a Vyoocam. Vyoocam supports up to 4K video quality, but the video quality depends on the app that you're using and on the bandwidth of both Wi-Fi connection on a Vyoocam and on a mobile phone of a user at the other side. Now we're gonna do the same but with the Skype app. We're gonna select the contact from the contact list and establish the video call. At this moment we are demoing the voice calling apps, but Vyoocam can run any app from the Google Play Store, any from the 2.5 million apps available. And those apps can be for video streaming, video conferencing, video recording, face detection, object recognition, anything. Because of its powerful processor, Vyoocam is ideal to run computer vision apps or apps for machine learning. In this video quality is not ideal because both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. But usually Vyoocam would be connected over the hotspot of a mobile phone that controls it. As with any other smartphone, you can establish or end a video call both on a Vyoocam or from any other device. Vyoocam is built to work as a hands-free device, and that's why you need a smartphone to control it only when selecting the app or establishing the video call in this case. For this video, I am using Vyoocam prototype in my hands, but in a real case scenario, Vyoocam would be attached to eyewear, head mount or any other surface. Now we're gonna turn off the smartphone so you can see that Vyoocam works as independent device. And the video that you're seeing on the iPhone is actually coming from the Skype app running on a Vyoocam. In the meantime, smartphone used to control Vyoocam can be in your pocket. Thank you for watching this video.